Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I'm about to go out. Someone asked me in the comment section, how do you get rich quick with Forex? Okay, hedging. Hedging is the secret way in the market. Why do I say that? Let's use an example. Let's say you have $100 account, right? You have $100 account and you have 10 trades, right, in a month, and 9 of those trades lose. You lose $10 per trade. You've lost $90 that month, and you made only $10, so you have only about $20 left. If you were hedging, if you lost 9 trades, you lose nothing. You lose zero. You lose $0. And if you made one profit, you'd make $10. What would your account balance be? 110. You basically beat everyone, even with a 10% winning strategy. Even with a bad strategy, with hedging, you still come out on top. It's what the banks do, it's what the hedge funds do. It's why they make so much money. Why they make so much money? Think about it. A hedge fund is not gonna take, let's say they are trading $1 billion. They're not gonna take $100,000 loss. They'd rather hedge it. Even if it takes days, even because $100,000 is still $100,000. Even if it takes weeks, even if it takes months, they would rather hedge it. So when I say I'm doing the copy trades, like I said, if you want to join the copy trades, you want to connect your account to my account, and you don't have time to take signals, you don't have time to take trades on your own, fund your account, you need at least $500 to be able to connect to my account so that your account can handle the trades, and then I'll hedge on the account, so you have nothing to lose. You take 90% of the profit every month, I take 10% of the profit every month. The profits splits monthly. For example, this is how PAM works. If I have 10,000, you have 1,000. If I take one lot, it takes 0.1, automatically calculates on your account, and you can always withdraw your funds anytime. So you are not losing anything. You make profits. It's better than keeping it to your account in your bank, because you always make profit every month, whether it's small or high. You always make profit, and you can withdraw it anytime. You take majority of the profit split every month. Now, for the people who want signals, we have a VIP signal group. If you want to test it for 3 months for free, send me trial on Telegram. Make sure you have at least $50 in to be able to fund your account with. Okay, I always recommend minimum $650 so that you can take both Forex and gold pairs. Okay, and send me trial on Telegram, guys. Also, link in description below. Link to our Telegram group. Right, we're up over 5,000 members in the Telegram group, and we're trying to get over 10,000 to about 15,000 members. Okay. So make sure to join the Telegram group, share, and like, share, and subscribe. When I say like, share, and subscribe, I mean like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell on. Clink. Okay, make sure it's on, and you put all notifications, because when I upload, when I live stream, like I said, I started live streaming with more funds again. I started a new account. Same thing with the scalping account. I started all over again. You can follow me. You can follow my trades. I'll be uploading videos every week. I'll start live streaming from a new account from scratch again. I've withdrawn all my profits from the old account. And yeah, you can watch my journey all over again for the new subscribers. Last time I started scalping with $250. This time I started scalping with about $750. We're going to grow it. The last time I scalped, I made about 90K profits. Let's see how much profits we make from this time, and how many withdrawals you can make, and how many hedges we need to make. I'll record the best parts and upload it for you guys. Like I said, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Okay, and I'll answer your questions. I'll make a video about it. And yeah, let's see what type of trades we can find today. Is it going to be a scalp trade? Is it going to be a system A trade, system B trade? Is it going to be a hedge? And guys, if you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You get the software for free. What does the software do? The software analyzes the market for you for free. Okay, it tells you when to buy, when to sell, where to buy, where to sell, where to exit. It gives you alerts for scalping. Okay, it tells you when to hedge your account. Basically, it does all the analysis, and I teach you how to use it. So for example, if you used to trade with your emotions, used to trade with indicators, because I don't trade with indicators, I don't use moving averages, I don't use support areas, I don't guess, I go with technicals only. The software has no bias. Okay, most people lose their account. If you look at their trading history, they were selling. When the market was a sell, they were still selling. When the market was a buy, they were buying. Sorry, when the market was a buy, they were still selling. When the market was a sell, they were still, because they didn't know the trend and because they did their analysis and they favored their buyers. The analysis said buy, so they have so much ego invested in the trade. The software will erase all that because it has no emotions. If it is a sell market, the software will tell you immediately. Okay, so then you have to argue with the facts that you see. If you argue with the facts that you see, you are trying to beat the market, which is dumb. I've always said this. Then you know why you lost, and you will not try that again. Because if you don't know why you're losing, you can't reduce your losses. If you don't know why you're winning, you can't increase your wins. So guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what type of trades we have today. And if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Make sure you comment. Just comment anything for the algorithm so more people can see it. I know I've not been uploading, and yeah, the views have gone down, but let's get it up together. And we encourage each other to continue to make videos, continue to make scout videos, and continue to upload more content for you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bells below.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and in today we have a new trade. Okay, I want to take like a buy. My software is showing me a buy. You can see the notification show is showing me a buy, and I'm just waiting for a few confirmations before I take this buy. 1 minute for scalp on the 5 minutes charts, and there you go. Okay, I'm gonna set my take profit now. All right, this is one of my scalping systems which I use. I have system A scalping system, system B scalping system, as you can see on my screen is the software giving me all the analysis. Let me just set my take profit properly. All the analysis. The software comes free with the course, which you can get at hedgingmastermind.com. And also, if you want to get 3 months free signals, okay, you can message me on Telegram for free. Okay, if you have at least $50, you should be able to start. You can message me on Telegram and message me the word trial, okay, for free signals. Be able to test signals for free for 3 months. You get access to the VIP signal group. And if you don't have time to take signals, you have work, you have things to do, you're busy, you can simply just fund your account. For that one, you need to have at least $500 to be able to fund your account so that I can connect it straight to my account. And then, for example, if I take one lot on my $10,000 account and you have $1,000, it's going to take 0.1 lot. So it converts the trades automatically to fit your account. And if I'm going to be hedging, because hedging is a way that, like I said at the start of this video, I've already explained it a bit more. Hedging is a way to not make any loss while trading. It's a way that you can use to compound very fast. It's basically my secret sauce, my secret strategy on how I've been able to excel and succeed very quickly. I'll be doing that with the copy trade account, so that means you will not face any loss. Okay, and whatever profits we make every month we keep. You take 80% of the profits, I take 20% of the profits. This trade is looking like it's going to hit very, very soon. Okay, it's going to hit the take profits very soon. It's moving very fast actually. Anyways, message me. Oh, there you go. Take profit hit. $50. $50 very quickly. I think in less than 2 minutes. Okay. So these are the kind of trades that we'll be taking on the copy account. Message me copy on Telegram, link inscription below also. And yeah, I'll give you instructions on how to be able to connect straight to my account. And make sure to join the free Telegram group also. We're up over 5,000 members. We're getting to 6,000 soon, and by the end of this year we should be up over 10,000, at least 10,000 to 15,000 members. I know we're going to do it, so join the free Telegram group also. And yeah, if you want to buy the course to learn how to do this, I teach my students live. I share my screen on Zoom. We take live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging trades. The software tells you when and where to buy. For scalping, when and where to sell. The market direction, short term, long term, where to exit your trades, when the trend will change, what trend it is, so many things, where to hedge. Okay, everything will be taught. And you can also meet me in person also if you want to learn also. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on, and we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market. I've just been taking system A trades. We've had a hedge so far, which actually was the first trade. And yeah, this nice $50 profits is okay. We've just been making small profits. I'm sure if we have a system B trade, we'll be able to make a big profit. So far you've seen me hedging. If you check the playlist, I have a playlist for that. You've seen me take system A scalp trades. We're still gonna take a system B trade or maybe a swing trade sometime. I'll be trading the different methods. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back with another scalping or hedging or swing trading video later on. And make sure when you subscribe, you click the notification bells on and click all notifications so that you stay alert from my uploads, videos, shorts, live streams, and you don't miss anything. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trade.